This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cleaning the lens thoroughly so grit doesn't scratch deeper. Once dry, mask the paint and trim tightly. You want only plastic exposed. Start with 600 grit wet sanding in straight, overlapping passes. Keep the surface wet and check progress often. You sand to remove the yellowed, oxidized layer. This evens the surface so finer abrasives can polish it later. Make deliberate, consistent motions, and re-wet frequently to prevent. Once the coarse haze is gone, move to 1000 grit, then 2000 grit, always wet. You refine the surface to remove the 600 grit scratches. This step creates a smooth base for polishing. Rinse and dry briefly between grits to inspect. If deep scratches remain, repeat earlier grit until they're gone. Make crosshatch passes to ensure uniform abrasion, then wipe clean. You'll end up with a matte, even lens that's ready for polishing and sealing. You now polish using a plastic-specific compound and a microfiber pad, either by drill at low speed or by hand with firm pressure. Once the lens turns clear and smooth, wipe away residue and apply a UV clear coat or automotive wax to seal the surface. This prevents rapid reoxidation. Make sure to cure per product instructions. If you see clouding later, repeat sanding starting at a finer grit or reapply sealant. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most recurring haze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.